What's good, booze? It's Sheen Boo, and you already know. Oh, you know who it is. It's Sheen Boo. Y'all, I'm back at work, so we're in the car, okay? But I am committed to this content. Today, we are trying out the Voluminous Lash Paradise Mascara by L'Oreal Paris. Trying out the Lash Paradise Mascara by L'Oreal Paris. Y'all, I don't know if y'all into that ASMR like type videos, but if you are, let me know. I was heavily contemplating not doing a video today because my hair appointment is not till Friday. I'm not too happy with my hair, but we shall press on. So I have the shade 202 Black Brown Noir. I did not realize I got that. I like Carbon Black. One of my favorite mascaras is by L'Oreal, which would be the Carbon Black mascara. So, voluptuous volume and lifting. All right, voluptuous volume and lifting. All right, so as you guys can see, I am lacking in the lash department. I am hairy all over my body, including my eyebrows. And lash department, God was like, no ma'am, you need mascara because these people got to stay in business because I gave you hair everywhere else, okay? This is what the brush and the color look like. That is definitely black brown, like it said. All right. Shouldn't be too noticeable. Let's see. All right. Okay, I'm noticing the volume right away. I would have to see how lifting it is. And we're gonna do one eye at a time so y'all can see the difference. And I usually just blink into it, okay? Everybody puts on mascara differently. I like to layer and blink into the mascara. No mascara, mascara. Yes. Lifting and voluminous, like it said. Like, just check that out. Do y'all see the difference? Look at that side profile. Let me do like this so y'all can get a better. Wow. Let's do the second eye. Now both eyes are done. Lifting, yes. Voluminous, yes. Oh my gosh, go get this. It's giving me like natural false lash. So you know how they have like those false lashes that have like a natural look? This is giving that, okay? 10 out of 10. I would definitely recommend this. It does exactly what it says it would do. And I'm actually not mad at the color. I prefer jet black, but I'm definitely gonna keep this. So I could throw the package away because I'm gonna keep it. It dries down really quick, but it does layer up really good. And I apply multiple layers because I don't have very much lash to work with, like you guys could see before I put the mascara on. But I would say, yeah, this is it. That's the video today, guys. Go get you some of this L'Oreal Paris Lash Paradise Mascara. Like, comment, subscribe. Keep up with Shine Like Sheen all the time. Instagram, TikTok, Twitter, Snapchat, all of that. That's where Shine Like Sheen is at. Hey! See you Friday.